Over time, diversify your investments and also grow your investments across time without taking the risk of each specific stocks. I would only advise for customers or users or clients of RinggitPlus to actively manage their funds if they have the resources and time to do it. So when I say resources and time, I'm referring to the ability for you to monitor the investment performance over time and have the tools that you need to do it, as opposed to leveraging and using the existing active fund managers in the market that have all the tools and the capabilities and the time to monitor the performance over time. This includes obviously having the tools such as Reuters and Bloomberg Terminal that would allow you to really evaluate a company and be able to determine whether the price is right. So if you can dedicate the time and resources to do it, then you should. Otherwise, we would advise that you do passive investments, which means that you do not will not look at timing the market, nor are you looking at selecting the market, but rather you buy the whole market and be able to over time diversify your investments and also grow your investments across time without taking the risk of each specific stocks or investments or time the market. Hi, I'm Azri Akram. I am a certified financial planner and chartered financial analyst at RinggitPlus.com. If you have any questions from today's video, and if you would like to find out more about our service, check out RinggitPlus Advanced at our website today.